And what cloud computing is, if we look at more of a traditional definition, is this concept of on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, which is a technical concept, with pay-as-you-go pricing, which is a business concept. Okay? So what does this all mean, though? So when we talk about on-demand, what does on-demand mean? Does it mean something like a FedEx delivery truck? So 2 days later, someone brings some package to you and drops it off at your front door? So that's what Amazon does. But it's not what Amazon Web Services does. Is it something similar to like ordering pizza, where the pizza comes in 30 minutes? Not in Hong Kong, though, is it? I think Pizza Hut's normally like 45 or 50 minutes here, but similar concept where you order something and it reaches your home. Our concept of cloud computing is actually more like electricity. So this is a really interesting thing around delivery. So when you deliver what we call IT services to you, you request them on demand, and they're available to you almost instantaneously. So when you think about IT infrastructure, IT services, computers, servers, et cetera, historically you think about going to maybe a website or calling your technology partner, issuing a PO, having that PO accepted, then saying, okay, it's going to take 2 weeks for that piece of hardware to get shipped to your company. And then from there, if someone looks at it, they maybe need to do some installation work on it, harden the OS, harden the hardware, et cetera. And this whole process normally takes weeks or even months. In the world of cloud computing, we're talking about everything being on demand, like electricity. Now, the interesting thing about electricity, though, is it doesn't seem like it's an IT resource, does it? It doesn't seem like a physical box or physical piece of hardware, physical storage, but it can be done in this way via something called virtualization. So if you think about it this way, your computers don't need to be in the closet of your office or in a data center. They can be hosted by someone else, in this case, someone like Amazon Web Services.